How to make homemade hair pack to prevent dandruff. Henna and hibiscus leaves hair pack can help control dandruff and maintain scalp health. Hibiscus was shown to aid hair growth in rat studies. To prepare homemade hair pack to prevent dandruff, you will need the following ingredients: a handful of henna leaves, a handful of hibiscus leaves, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Process: grind a handful of henna and hibiscus leaves together to get a smooth, consistent paste. You can add a little water to the mixture in case it is too thick. Add a tablespoon of lemon to the henna and hibiscus paste and mix well. Apply this hair pack to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and then rinse your hair with a mild sulfate-free shampoo and cool, lukewarm water. For best results, you have to use this pack once a week. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.